Hey guys, today we are taking a look at some basic things from Premiere Pro 2017. Okay, come let's see what are the benefits from the Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2017. Now am I opening Adobe Premiere Pro? This is some basic window look you can take. This is the source monitor, this is the program monitor, and this is the project panel, and this is the timeline panel. Now we are going to add some files for our editing process. You can either double click here to input our files to the project. Otherwise, now you can right click and select clear. It will remove the files from our project panel. You can click file and import. You can select the file now also. Right click, clear, and it will remove the files. And another thing, you can double click here and you can add double click in the file also. Okay, by double clicking the video, actually you can play and take a preview from the source panel. And if you want to edit this video, you have to just drag this video into the timeline like this, and it will suddenly showing the video and audio in the separate layers. And this source monitor shows us some preview of this sub videos which we are going to edit in our editing process. And another thing, if you want to add some portion of the clips, you have to mark some in and out points from the source monitor. Now I am going to mark some in point by placing the playhead in the ruler. This is my in point, and I am going to select another point for the out point. This is my out point, and I am clicking this mark out point. You can select these points, or you can press I for mark in. You can select O for mark out. Now two things, if you want to add video only, you have to just click this video symbol and drag this to the timeline like this. Now we have added the video only file. If you want to add audio only from this clip between this playable length, you can just click the audio and put it in the timeline audio channel place. You can see the audio place, audio track only. I'm gonna undo this thing. If you want to clear these in and out points, just right click on the selected area and clear in and out. Now this is the stage before we mark in and mark out points. If you want to add at a time both audio and video, just grab this video clip and drop it in the timeline. Now we have the video and audio clips. This is some basic thing. And another thing, you can see here, go to in and go to out. Go to in and go to out means if you marked here in and out points, these buttons will take you to the in point at the beginning, out point at the end. This is some useful buttons to go in and out points of the marked clips. Okay, now let me clear this marked clip. Clear in and out. That's it. And this side you can see insert, overwrite buttons. This is another export frame. I will explain this button later. Okay, now we are going to see insert and overwrite buttons. Now my playhead is at the starting position of the video clip in the timeline. Now I am going to mark some area of the source clip here. I am placing the playhead here, marking in point, I am marking some out point here, and now I'm going to insert this selected clip into our timeline for editing. If I place this insert button, it's going to add this selected portion of the clip into the timeline here. Actually, the inserting clips will be placed before the playhead, and it will move our already existing clips equal to the length of the clips automatically by I'm undoing. Now if I want to overwrite this clip, overwrite means you can see here. Now I am click the overwrite button. Actually already existing video clip doesn't move at all. The selected portion of this video clip is overwrite this much portion of the already existing video clip, and this is some useful functions of the insert and override. Okay, and another side you can see some buttons in the program monitor, the same like go to in and go to out, step back to one frame, step forward to one frame, and another lift, extract. But this side we have seen insert and override. Here lift and extract. This lift and extract buttons and this insert and override buttons functions differently. We will take a look at the lift and extract buttons later. Okay, this is some basic things from Adobe Premiere 2017. For more basic in-depth videos, please stay tuned. Thank you.